Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kat. Today we are at Joshua Tree National Park and I'm so excited for this video. We are comparing the iPhone 11 Pro Max portrait mode, 12 Pro Max portrait mode, and 13 Pro Max. I'm so excited to see the difference. Let's go. Let's start with the photo of me. All right, as you can see, the 11 Pro Max, it really zooms in by itself. I mean, like, I either have to take a few steps back when I'm taking photos of something or just really have to position myself differently because it zooms in. It does do a good job in blurring around my hair, but I mean, it kind of cuts off a lot. Especially if you're blonde, you'll have that problem using portrait mode. It really cuts off my hair. I am very impressed though by the 12 Pro Max in this kind of setting because it does a really good job and it looks clean. The 13 Pro Max, however, looks awesome and it kind of looks like it already has a filter on it when it doesn't. But around my hairline, the 13 looks the best. But around my body, it kind of looks too fake right away, the 13. Like, as soon as anything off my body, it's blurred way too much, which, I mean, I can't complain because it looks really great, but when I'm looking at it on it full screen on my laptop, it's a bit too blurry. So I'm really happy with the 12 in this scenario. All right, next we're gonna go to the spiky plant. So the 11 in this one is way too zoomed in. It doesn't do a blur at all. It just kind of looks flat. The 12, I'm very impressed by. It does a great job of blurring around the edges of the spiky plant, and it still looks super natural. And then the 13, the major difference I see between the 12 and the 13 is definitely the coloring. When I'm taking a picture on the 13, it kind of looks like my eyesight. But around the edges, it blurs out all the spikes, whereas it looks a bit more clean on the 12. Now, we are going to showcase the photo I took of a rock. So this one, I was really excited to see how it would turn out. The 11 is obviously way too close and blurs out the rock. It doesn't really see the difference between the close one and the one that's more far away. But if you go and check the 13, I love this one. I think this looks great. It really showcases the rock in the background. It's not like too blurry, which I love. But the 12 did a fantastic job here too. So honestly, a tie between the 12 and the 13 for this rock photo. Next is a photo of my friend Daniel, and he has a sun coming in from behind him. For this photo, I took it exactly in the exact same spot for each of them. And as you can see, the 11 really zoomed in way too much. I tried to get him behind the light as much as I could, but it just kept zooming in. Maybe I could have done a better job taking this photo, but not too good. The 12 looks good, just kind of blurry, doesn't capture him as much. I'm so impressed with the 13 on this. Like, this looks like it was taken by a professional camera. I love how you can see like a bit of the light from in between his legs. It looks amazing. I'm super impressed with this. Mind you, none of these photos have been edited, so if I edit it, I feel like it could even be even better. I'm very impressed. Last, and kind of the least impressive, we have the photo of the cactus. When I tell you I was shocked at how poorly the 13 performed in this scenario. The 11 looks great. There's just no bokeh at all, but I mean, it looks great. The whole cactus is crisp. The 12, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's way too blurry. It looks splotchy. I don't know what was happening there. And then the 13 was least impressive as well. It doesn't show any of the spikes. The color looks crisp, but I mean, it's absolutely no. I would never post that photo. It would be better to just take it in regular camera. So that's where I was kind of shocked. Like, I mean, it is hard for sure to focus on all of it, but the 11 in that one is way better. Overall, I mean, the 12 and 13 are very similar. But when the light was from behind my friend, it looked so much better on the 13. So I kind of have to test it out and see what instances you are taking most of your photos of. If it's of a person, definitely go with the 13. Especially if you have blonde hair. It does cut it out a little still, but it is way better than the 11 and 12. So if you're just taking photos for Insta and things like that, 13's great. But you can do a lot of amazing things with the 11 and 12 too, so don't rule those out. Anyways, I had so much fun filming this video, going on that hike and Joshua Tree, and I'm so excited to make more videos for you guys. I will be uploading a really cool one on Wednesday. So stay tuned for my new video on Wednesday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.